iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro factory dummy models appear in hands-on video. What do you think of the designs? The iPhone 11 has appeared in a hands-in video. Technically, it's a dummy, but it's supposedly based on real schematics. According to BGR, the factory schematics for Apple's upcoming iPhone models, likely called the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max, were stolen from a Foxconn plant. Third-party accessory makers then used these design files to build cases for the new phones, and some companies even made physical mock-ups of the new iPhone models, two of which YouTube channel ConceptsiPhone has obtained. The channel's video, below, shows the two mock-ups for the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro in full detail. They're the best mock-ups we've seen so far, though there are some bits that have us questioning whether these dummies will represent the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro's final design. For instance, the mute switches from Apple's earlier iPhones, the iPhone 11 series will have a round toggle like the iPad Pro. Also, the area around the iPhone 11's dual lens camera and the iPhone 11 Pro's triple lens camera will be color matched to the back. But, on these mock-ups, it's black like on old iPhone models. Lastly, the company that created them used the same back panel and clear glass as Apple's iPhone XS, but the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max will reportedly feature a frosted glass back. Apple will even remove its classic iPhone logo, reportedly. Still, this video provides us with a decent look at what the new iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro might be like in real life.